As head of application science, I often get asked what an evaluation is like with Optibrium, how to get started, how much effort it will require, and what support is provided. Let me tell you more about what to expect. We've made it easy to evaluate StarDrop through a cloud-based solution, allowing you to access it from anywhere with no installation required. Here's how to get started. First, we will discuss some key information so that the evaluation can be tailored to the needs of your organization. This includes considering which StarDrop modules you're particularly interested in. Each module offers unique capabilities for solving complex research problems. Discussing your research workflows and challenges can help to pinpoint the capabilities that will be valuable to you and where you should spend your time during the evaluation. It's also helpful to understand your goals during the trial period. Defining these upfront ensures that we can help you achieve meaningful outcomes. Some of the common goals that I've come across are: is StarDrop intuitive and easy to use? Do the predictions reflect our experimental results? Does it have the critical functionality we need for our workflows? Will it integrate with our existing research infrastructure? And will it improve communication and collaboration? Before getting started, it's also important to form your evaluation team to ensure that you can fully explore how StarDrop fits your research needs and will benefit your organization. It should include those who will use the software day to day and key decision makers, such as budget holders. Some considerations to keep in mind are which members of your research teams will participate in the evaluation, what specific research problems do they need to address using StarDrop, and how will you measure the success of the evaluation. Establishing clear criteria helps guide the trial and assess the impact of StarDrop on your workflows. So what about the evaluation itself? Our evaluations usually last for 2 weeks and can be scheduled at a time convenient for your organization. During the evaluation, you will have hands-on access to StarDrop to discover for yourself the benefits of our software and different modules, and to make a definitive decision around how this will work for you. The evaluation will include a kick-off meeting on the start date with hands-on training. We will ensure that you and your evaluation team are fully trained on StarDrop's key features, enabling you to quickly start generating meaningful results with your projects and data. We will also schedule a mid-evaluation check-in. This is a chance to review progress, answer your questions, and explore additional capabilities to ensure that you get the most out of your time investment and meet your objectives. And at the end of your evaluation period, we will get together for a final discussion to review outcomes and next steps. Once your evaluation dates are confirmed, we'll send each user their login credentials to access StarDrop through our cloud-based platform. You will have full access to our expert-led training and library of online resources throughout your trial period, ensuring your team is fully equipped to make the most of the evaluation. Our application science team is also available to answer questions or tackle any challenges as they arise, ensuring that you get the most out of StarDrop. While we run evaluations every day, we know you don't. We will help you to get the most out of your evaluation period so that you can feel confident that you're making the right decision. If you're ready to get started, contact your Optibrium representative or email us at info@optibrium.com to begin your evaluation and discover how StarDrop can transform your research.